Ooh, listen to that. All right, so this is the light here, and you have UV mode, which is pretty cool. That's pretty bright, so UV mode. And then if we slide the bar over here, you have your flashlight mode, and that's very bright. Look at that. So that's from this. You can see how bright that is out there. You can see everything. Rapid flash. And then of course we have our red light. So red light, it can be pretty bright, as you can see. Overall, a very nice light. Ooh, look at this. The heavy duty little thing. On the back here, you're gonna have your manual inside here. Charging cable right inside here. So it's got a magnetic charging. So you just peel off this. And it just charged just like that. Here it kind of goes over the settings. So if you don't want to forget, you can just save this. It's got a very nice design. When you're charging, there's going to be, when it's fully charged, it'll be green. So you can kind of see that little green highlight. And when it's not, it'll be red. It might be a little hard to see. So let's go ahead and plug this back in. So with the lights on, it's a little hard to see, but this turns red when it's charging, green when it's done. So we're just going to set that off to the side, let it charge.